Welcome back to today's Baler Bulletin. I'm Race Ruiz.
I'm Alana Gomez.
Golda Meir was a politician, teacher, and served as the fourth Prime Minister of Israel from 1969 to 1974.
Make the most of yourself by fanning the tiny inner sparks of possibility into flames of achievement. Golda Meir.
The Spring BLT is this Friday in the Quad at lunch. We have 30 clubs signed up to sell food and drinks. Bring some cash to support your favorite clubs. There will be games and music in the Quad, so come out and enjoy the sunshine.
Attention 9th, 10th, and 11th graders. Link Crew Leader applications for 2022 are out. They are available on the school website, under Student Activities, under the ASB tab, and also on Baler Instagram. And the link tree, it is the Google form, so please take a few moments to fill it out. It looks great on a resume and your activity sheet, and is good at an introduction for those interested in leadership opportunities.
The last day the Student Payment Center will be accepting personal checks is May 6th, starting May 9th, cash or credit card only.
Don't miss out on big laughs. Come to the Comedy Sports Show this Friday at 7 p.m. It's competitive improv comedy. Tickets are in the Student Payment Center and online. Scan the code on the flyer, only $6 for students, $5 with ASB.
Looks like that's about it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching, and remember, go Balers!